Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to change the video background without green screen in CapCut. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, open up an existing or a new CapCut project and make sure you've got the background you want to use added. I have. Make sure it's not selected and come to the bottom and click on Overlay. Click on Add Overlay. Now go and find the video you want to go and change the background of. Select it and add. Then what I want to do is just go and make the background a bit longer, like so, by clicking, holding, and dragging. You can then click on the video you're changing the background of to resize it. With it selected, scroll along at the bottom until you see the option Remove BG and click on it, and then click Auto Removal. You do need CapCut Pro for this, which is a subscription to CapCut, so go and click on it and it will then start. The background will be removed. So that's basically how you can change the video background without green screen in CapCut. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.